the Rainbow Six Siege server connection error. So why we are getting this Rainbow Six Siege server connection error? What's really going on with the servers? Today in this video, we have got the latest update right from the game developers. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so I was checking out the down detector to see what's really going on with the Rainbow Six Siege servers, and you can see recently we have got 7,170 outage reports, and then it has decreased to 3,400, and right now we are sitting at about 671 outage reports. So definitely we can conclude there is some update going on into the game. Now let me show you what is the exact update. So there are tons and tons of people. Here you can see 5 minutes ago, no way, Rainbow Six Siege server down, third time, Rainbow Six Siege server down, no reason why servers down, Rainbow Six Siege server down, servers down, fix your game, server down for a long time. Here you can see server status, global status, PC 4 unplanned issue, PS4 unplanned issues. So pretty much all the platforms are facing issues as of right now. Is Rainbow Six is down for you? When the Rainbow Six Siege servers will be back up and running? Check this out, the down detector is also reporting. So definitely guys, we can conclude that Rainbow Six Siege is down and there is some new update going on. Alright, so let me show you what is the update, what is the server maintenance timing, when they will be going to fix it. So let me get into the details right from the game developers. Alright guys, so right over here onto the Rainbow Six Siege Twitter official page, let's check it out. Do we got any latest update as of right now? And as right now, as of right now, I was checking out, and you can see the latest update is this one: hunt down your mark with deimos season by instantly unlocking them in the premium battle pass available right now. So this is the latest update, and this is 9 hours ago, and right up to that 8 hours ago we have prepared a short launch update driven by your feedback. Here is additional feedback on Operation Deadly Omen. Let us know about using RSec fix. So there is some kind of a feedback going on, investigated Operation Deadly Omen, and in that they have seen player reputation, they are fixing that, also the credit purchases and battle pass. You can read it out, the details what they are doing, but it's really important to check the server timings when they'll begin to fix it. So here you can see guys, in fact right from the Ubisoft support Twitter official page, we have got the latest update. So here you can see they have retweeted the same tweet right over here, and right up to that here you can see the latest update 4 hours ago. We are working on to the current issue of matchmaking rank map in R6. Also we have reopened the investigation into the matchmaking issues in Rainbow Six Siege. Then the latest update 41 minutes ago, the latest one update, some players are starting to able to connect to the ranked matches. We'll be monitoring this issue into the coming hours. So you see the point guys, there is some improvement, there is some update, and that's definitely visible on to the down detector page. You can see many people are starting to reconnect, but once again we are seeing some outage reports are increasing. So guys, as of right now there is no latest update, but they are working to fix the issue. Once I get any latest details, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.